everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and I am totally no makeup today. It was just a really lazy Friday, and guess what? I scrapbooked. I definitely feel like I earned a gold star for today. This was my plan all along to try to do this very leisurely Friday afternoon scrap session or Friday morning scrap sessions, and I did it. It only took me till the end of July to get back to it, and hopefully I can keep this up. I finally organized the room. You saw that in my last week's video, and finally just jumped in and scrapbooked. Now everything I used on here pretty much is from the Cartabella Fall Market collection. I ended up having the Echo Park / Cartabella monthly kits for a while and ended up keeping the kits together, so it's easy for me to just grab one of those. And I pulled, first of all, because it had corn in it, so it's like harvest and fall themed. And it also had a lot of yellows, and she's wearing a little yellow ladybug dress. So I pulled that as my inspiration from the photos. I was so happy to put this together. I just came in here, whipped it up, and watched some YouTube. I had my laptop just sitting next to me so I could watch whatever YouTube I wanted. And yeah, I had fun. So I vlogged just like a teeny bit during it. This is gonna be a super duper short video, but I'm proud to finally get in here and do this. I have my album for 2022 sitting right here, and this is my sixth layout for the year, which is just pathetic. I was really excited in the beginning of the year and then totally fell off of it. So I'm really trying to get back in here now that my room's a little bit more inspirational and it's set up really nicely. And we're printing. I haven't printed a photo in forever. I do have low ink and I have no 4x6s. So I'm using a 5x7 and I made a collage print. I'm very excited about that. But look, it's all ready to go. I ended up pulling out one that I thought was like fall themed. It had like, you know, harvest stuff in it, veggies. Since she's having corn, I thought that would be cute to mix in with some of this. It's not going to be pumpkin themed, but I did like the fallish type of colors. It kind of goes with her like yellow dress she's wearing. So I've got my computer in here so I can watch some YouTube and scrapbook, and I have some doodads in here I need to go through and see what I've got in here to use. Yep, I think the colors are going to work really well together. So I'm going to go with this kit. This is just Fall Market from Echo Park. Cartabella. They're like fancier brand. I'm going to get scrapping. I thought I would document this because I'm actually scrapbooking, guys. I tried to be a good girl and clean up sort of as I went and put things back as I went. So I don't have a whole lot to clean up now. There's my finished page and I'm very happy with it. I can't believe I scrapbooked, finally. It's only the very end of July. Hopefully I can get in here a little bit more, especially because school is starting soon. I definitely feel like the beginning of the year, I get a huge motivation, inspiration rush for all the goals and all the things that I want to do. And then also at back to school time, because Olivia goes back to school, we're on more of a regular schedule with our family, and it makes me really gung-ho and productive again. So these are my two big giant productivity, goal setting, inspirational times. So I'm pumped to get back into it, and I'm really proud of my little page I made of little Stella, and I just thought it was really cute. She put her corn in the cob inside of a teacup or a teapot and was just pretending to drink it, and I just thought it was super cute. So I made the layout inspired by that. And yeah, one of the things I need to do is get some more 4x6s for my printer. So that is on my shopping list coming up here soon. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in here, show you guys I actually scrapbooked. Hopefully maybe this will give you guys inspiration if you're like me, where you're just everything comes before your scrapbooking time, and by the end of the day you just don't have creative juices left to dedicate to it. Maybe this will inspire you to spend a little time and scrapbook as well. So that's gonna be my challenge for you guys, to get a scrap session in this next week. And let me know in the comments down below if you do get a scrap session in. I'd love to hear. We can work on keeping each other motivated. And I think that is it for this video. So I hope you guys like this little teeny tiny vlog of me scrapbooking. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can follow me along, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.